My name is Nicole Lipper from Priorities Product Team. Today, we will talk about a use case for enterprise asset management. When we talk about asset management today, we will focus on machines that are used by a large production plant to manufacture goods. The company we are talking about today can use machines either internally on the shop floor or rent them to customers and bill them for the subscription. These machines are an integral part of the organization's activity. Therefore, no matter where the machine is located, high levels of strict predictive maintenance must be maintained, whether they derive from priorities algorithm or either intelligent ML tools. This is, of course, in addition to attending to the machine's service needs as a result of malfunctions in the field that can be picked up by real-time transmission from IoT sensors as well. Priority accompanies the machine during its whole journey in the organization, from the second it enters the company, through its booking in the ledger and depreciation, its service, its maintenance, and up to the second it finishes its role in the company. So let's see how this process begins. One of the aspects of asset management is the way it's managed in the books. When a new machine is purchased, it is automatically logged as a fixed asset in the system. The asset's full ID is available, as you can see here. The machine starts undergoing an automatic depreciation process that will accompany it throughout its whole organizational life and be updated periodically in the books according to various depreciation methods, as you can see down here. Now that the machine is logged and ready to go, it starts to take part in the company's activity. Therefore, in order to ensure the machine's well-being, preventative maintenance must be planned and executed, and also must be fixed from time to time due to malfunctions. So let's see an example of a visual service plan. Here, we have a Gantt chart that gives me a bird's-eye view of tasks for each machine and gives good visibility of every machine's availability. In the Gantt, you can see the machines that are waiting for the technician's attention. The different colors make it very easy to identify which are preventative maintenance tasks and which are service tickets due to ad hoc malfunctions that need to be addressed immediately, in order to ensure business continuity. By the way, these service tickets either came automatically from the field or from real-time physical sensors. The manager can easily use this tool to review all of the technician's tasks for any given period of time and make any necessary changes in assignments or timelines. And in this example here, you can see a 2-day plan for one of the technicians. So let's drill down to one of the machines. All of the information I need regarding this machine is available here. For example, I have the machine's serial number, location in my plant or at a customer's site, and also the full history of malfunction and treatment log, granting me with an end-to-end asset transparency. In this example, the machine requires 2 types of maintenance. One is cleaning the printer head once a month, and the second one is a cartridge replacement every 6 months or every 10,000 pulses of the machine, whichever comes first. In our case, the meter readings are automatically uploaded to Priority. So moving on to a more general note, there are many types of maintenance plans, such as time intervals, seasonal maintenance, meter readings, and also a combination of time and meter readings. And of course, the system is agile and accommodates for any changes that may occur during the process and adjusts the maintenance plan accordingly. These planned maintenance tasks also act as a demand input for Priority's purchase planning tool, as discussed separately in another video. Now that we went over the assets and approved the service plans, Let's see how it looks from the field technician's point of view. Give me a second to switch to my mobile. The technician in our story uses Priority app on a mobile device to see the list of tasks that are waiting for attention. The first task on the list is to attend to a damaged cable in one of the machines. The technician can call the site, navigate to the machine's location, access the machine's service history and configuration, and even take a before and after picture of the machine, which will automatically be attached to the ticket in Priority for future reference. Any spare parts used from a van warehouse will be scanned and issued, helping keep accurate inventory levels and tracking the actual cost of the service call, taking into consideration service contracts and warranty terms. Any changes made to the machine's configuration will automatically be updated in the system, and any work hours that were reported will be logged in as well. Upon completion, the technician's geolocation is automatically captured and logged in the system. A detailed printout can be sent to the contact to approve the work that was done directly from their email or mobile device and automatically uploaded to the system for future reference. Moving back to Priority, Priority's back office is updated in real time with the results of the technician's fieldwork, including the photos, as you can see down here in the attachment. In conclusion, as we saw here today, Priority accompanies the asset during its whole journey in the company, beginning with procurement through all the financial aspects and managing and controlling ad hoc and planned service and maintenance. Thank you very much.